Got 10 minutes in the morning? No time, no energy, and you're already running late? Don't worry. Today I'll show you 5 quick and delicious breakfasts you can make in just 10 minutes. Let's start with something quick, simple, and really satisfying veggie omelet toast. Take a bowl and crack 2 fresh eggs into it. Now add finely chopped onion, tomato, a little chili if you like spice, and a pinch of salt. You can also add a bit of black pepper for extra flavor. Mix everything really well until the eggs and vegetables are nicely combined. Now heat a pan on medium flame and add a little oil or butter. Once the pan is hot, pour the egg mixture and spread it slightly so it cooks evenly. Immediately place a slice of bread on top and press it gently so it sticks with the egg. Let it cook for a few seconds, then carefully flip it over. Cook both sides until golden brown and slightly crispy. The result is a perfect combination of crispy toast and soft, flavorful omelet, quick, filling, and absolutely delicious for a busy morning. Next, let's make something creamy, rich, and super easy. Chicken mayo sandwich. Take some shredded cooked chicken in a bowl. Add a good amount of mayonnaise to make it creamy. Then add a pinch of salt and a little black pepper to enhance the flavor. Mix everything slowly until the chicken becomes soft and well coated with the mayo. Now take a slice of fresh bread and spread the mixture evenly. Add some fresh lettuce on top for a nice crunchy texture. Cover it with another slice of bread and press it gently. You can cut it into halves or triangles to make it look more attractive. This sandwich is soft, creamy, and very satisfying, perfect for those mornings when you want something quick but filling. Now, if you're in the mood for something hot and flavorful, try this instant fried noodles. Start by boiling your noodles for a few minutes, then drain the water completely. Heat some oil in a pan and crack an egg into it. Scramble it lightly, then add chopped vegetables like carrots, capsicum, or cabbage. Stir everything for about a minute so the vegetables stay slightly crunchy. Now add the boiled noodles back into the pan. Pour a little soy sauce and mix everything well on high heat. In just a few minutes, you'll have a delicious, street-style noodle dish that's full of flavor and perfect for a quick breakfast. Now let's make something soft, sweet, and comforting, quick pancakes. Take a bowl and add flour, milk, 1 egg, and a little sugar. Mix everything together slowly until the batter becomes smooth and lump-free. Heat a pan and lightly grease it with butter or oil. Pour a small amount of batter onto the pan and let it spread naturally. After a few seconds, you'll see bubbles forming on top. That's your sign to flip it. Cook the other side until it turns golden brown. These pancakes are soft, fluffy, and slightly sweet, perfect to enjoy with honey, syrup, or even fruits. And finally, something refreshing and super quick, banana milkshake. Take a ripe banana, peel it, and cut it into small pieces. Add it to a blender along with some milk and a little sugar depending on your taste. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. Within seconds, your milkshake is ready. Cool, refreshing, and full of energy. It's the perfect option when you want something light but still satisfying in the morning. So there you have it, 5 amazing breakfast ideas in just 10 minutes. Which one will you try tomorrow? Comment below and let me know. And don't forget to follow for more quick and tasty recipes.